Welcome back to the channel. Today we're at the World Series of Bowling. It's practice day and it's not going to be your average video. We're going to be asking pros who they think the best bowler on tour is at the moment.
Who do you think is the best bowler on tour right now and why?
Oh man, it's a toss up. You know, you got EJ, what he's doing, the way he's been able to win tournaments, but you also got Simo. If they would both be my pick, then you still got Belmo out there. Right now is a good time for your fan of bowl. You got those three guys that are battling it out each week. I think Simo has more tricks. I think EJ matches up the best, and I think Belmo takes it the most serious. So you got those three different variables. So those are my three guys. I couldn't pick just one.
I think Simo, hands down, versatility. He's going to play up 2 one game and from 39 the next game. So yeah, I think Simo, hands down.
Well, I've had a great season, but it's really hard not to say Simo. It's been really impressive what he's done this year. He's won twice, won a major now, finished in the top 10 in literally every single event. I think we've bowled 8 of them. That's just, it's really impressive. And it's something we don't see hardly ever for someone to bowl that well for that many weeks in a row. It's been really impressive watching him this year. He's done everything on both sides of the lane. He backed it up 1 week, I think, and just to get through a block, and there's nothing you can do to shut him out. So definitely got to say Simo.
I think it had to be me because I won the last event. Isn't that how that works?
Yeah.
I would say definitely Anthony Simonsen because of his versatility. He can do basically anything he wants with the ball and repeat it on the top level.
Where we're at right now, that's a tough question. EJ got off to, probably one of the best starts we've seen in a long time. But Simo's telling him, no, hold on a second with the performance that he just put on. So those two guys are going to battle it out. But I'd be kidding if I didn't say I wanted to take one of them out and put my name in the hat at the end of the year.
Well, the best bowler in the world is named Anthony Simonsen. Kid can do anything he wants on the lane, anything he wants to bowl and ball. Kind of unbeatable. It's kind of cool. I get to bowl with him and bowl against him. If you have any doubts, just watch any highlights of Simo, and he's playing literally wherever you could think of on the lane, doing anything. Anybody that says Belmo's wrong.
Best bowler on tour right now?
Right now.
Dude, it's tough because we have the top 3 who are EJ, Simo, and Belmo. Belmo's been off to a slow start. EJ's been win-loss, and then he had a couple successes in a row. But like Simonsen is just hands down the most insane bowler we have on tour. I wouldn't even say the best bowler. I would say actually insane. I mean, he went 845 at the Masters on his last day of match play, and he continued that in the final match with a 240 game, and that's with an open in the 10th frame. So I would probably say Simon.
Darren.
Yeah.
Who do you think is the best bowler and why?
Best bowler on tour right now? I got to go with Simo. I know EJ's got 3 titles. Simo just won the Masters. Honestly, in my opinion, I think he takes the lead for Player of the Year. He hasn't finished lower than 10th. He's got top 10 in every single event so far. I think every event that EJ's won, Simo's been on that show. It's kind of hard for me to not think about those things in terms of the entire season and Player of the Year. It's going to be interesting how the year unfolds.
All I know is if I was bowling for any amount of money, I would not want to go against Simo. That guy is crazy.
If I have to take myself out of the equation, I'll pick Anthony Simonsen because sometimes you'll just see him do some stuff that nobody else can do. Yeah, obviously like everybody does that and it doesn't work, but Simo will play the lane some ridiculous way and then lead the tournament by like 200. He's consistency. I think his worst finish this year is like just barely outside the top 10, maybe not even. And then like the things that he can do with the bowling ball are ridiculous.
I said it before he won the Masters. I said it before the week before that. I said the week before that. Anthony Simonsen has been my pick as the best bowler this year because he has not missed a top 10. Different houses, different patterns, different oils, different everything. Top 10 every time. Also has 2 titles. Has made every major telecast. Can't really discount that. So yeah, he's the best.
Alright guys, well thanks for watching the video. Let us know in the comment section below who you think the best bowl of the year is so far. Make sure you follow the PBA Tour for the rest of the season to find out who wins Player of the Year. And don't forget to subscribe, like the video, it helps us out a lot. We'll see you in the next one.